Good morning, Lutfan. Welcome.
Yeah.
Thank you for doing this, and congratulations on being the eminent participant for our conference. How are you feeling today?
Yeah, I'm good.
Please introduce yourself.
Yeah, my name is Lutfan. From Indonesia. Recently, when I'm doing the congress, I was MBA student from Technology in Indonesia, and it was part of my final project in my study. Before doing the MBA, I got my bachelor degree also from ITB, from Institute Technology Engineering. Yeah, I think that's some of my education and academic profile. More of that, just a brief about my research that I present in the conference. I discuss mainly about the gas turbine repair market in Indonesia. So I try to calculate, define, and then find out the market size for the gas turbine component repair in Indonesia, and try to use this information as basis for investment analysis also in some company in a company located also. Thank you.
All right. I would like to ask you, what was your motivation to continue your research? As we know, the past 2 years have been so hectic, and doing research needs a lot of correspondence. So, how was that?
That's very true. Yeah, the last maybe around 2 years after the pandemic starts, it was very hard to student and also for the business to perform well. Maybe in my study, I do a full online class. Yeah, so that's adding some challenge also when doing the research. I mean, when we discuss with our supervisor, when we learn in class. However, I try not to make it as a weakness. Instead, try to look at it as a challenge. Hence, try to present my research in an international conference. Also, I think one of the best way to present to others that even though during this challenge we can still do something and then present our research even though we have limitation during this pandemic.
All right. So, as you said, presenting was one of the perks. So, what was your experience in comparison to physical conferences and online conferences?
I think one of the biggest difference, maybe on the plus side, is the flexibility. There is so many options to doing conference right now, and then at the same time, maybe at the same month, there is a lot of option for conference, either in not only within our reach. I mean, such as in Indonesia, maybe we can only focus for the conference that is held in Indonesia. During this pandemic, with the option for online conference, which opens up opportunity to join the conference all over the world. However, I think there's minus also. During my bachelor degree, previously my paper also published in conference and then published in a journal. In that conference, what I see is that we can meet more people. Yeah? We can meet more. Meet more people directly, and we can discuss and maybe and enrich our knowledge, our experience when we discuss directly with people. But when we do it in online conference, such as we do previously, some of the minuses is that we cannot have some chit chat with the others. So we can only just maybe more focus on what the others present, and then discussion about that only. We cannot discuss outside of the scope that we present, and also the limited time and maybe some people also doing the conference while he also doing other things, right? Because this is online. Maybe he just online during his presentation, and then outside of that they do other things, which create a lower engagement during the online conference. That's just some of the plus and minuses in my opinion.
Yes. But the times are like this that we don't know when exactly the whole pandemic will be over. When we think that now it's getting better, new waves are coming on, new variants are coming in. Now Omicron is again here. Then in France, there's a new variant again. So would you recommend your colleagues for online conferences now or physical ones?
Okay, I think for what I have already been done actually is to suggest my fellow student also in our master studies to join the online conference. Yeah. I think for some maybe they previously not think to join the conference. Now with the online conference, it's opens up the opportunity for them to join it because maybe I don't know some people, some master student might be also working, right, have full time working, and with, if they need to go outside of their city or outside of their country maybe for 2 or 3 days, it might take some times, and also it's much more costly than doing online. Some of my colleagues also thinks that when I mention how good it is, how flexible it is to join an online conference, I think more and more of them try to conference. Yeah. So I think uh, I suggest more people to try to join the online conference, and hence not limited to the country that they can reach or that they can go to, and everywhere is okay, and it's an opportunity for them.
All right. Thank you. And to conclude this, as you have already attended our conference, I would request you to give us some feedback or pointers. How was the conference for you?
Yeah. Okay. For the conference that I have previously joined, I think it's very good conference because it's handled well. Yeah. I mean the schedule runs as it was informed to us. It's going within the schedule, and then uh, the method that we first record ourselves to uh, present, and then in the online conference, on the date of the conference, just show our video, and then we can have more time to discuss. It's I think it's very good, yeah, because we can have an effective time, so we can avoid some people maybe take too long with their presentation, yeah, because with this video we can make sure that everyone can present within the time that provided to them, and then after we can have a good discussion. As I can see during the during the conference, I think it's very good, some discussion, very interesting with others, and the moderator give enough time to everyone to ask question, and then to discuss about each of the presenter what they have been present, and then if any discussion is, I think it's very good, yeah, and quite nicely, and then very effective, and also we receive the proceeding information on time, yeah. So in the conference it was mentioned 1 week, and then uh, the next 7 days we receive it. So it's very on time. I think it's handled very good, very effective, and I think I can also recommend this conference to others, my other colleagues.
All right. Thank you, Luptan. Thank you so much for doing this.